dbrand finally got us the replacements for the Killswitch 2, so we're gonna see if they redeem themselves and test this thing out to see if they fixed all the issues that almost killed my Switch 2 6 times since the last video. So just a quick recap from the last video, if you guys haven't seen it. The issue that the Killswitch 2 had was if you hold this thing with one hand on any of the Joy-Cons, the Joy-Con, it'll easily detach and then your Switch just goes into a free fall. And then the other issue was the dock. So if you pull the Switch 2 with one hand off the dock, it brings the whole dock with you. That's another thing that dbrand said they were gonna fix with this replacement. So here we are today and we got our replacement, and dbrand said they were gonna rework this whole thing from the ground up. I expected like a whole new redesign, but they actually just sent out a replacement for the Joy-Con grips. So this is the old one and this is the new one. So if you look at these, I don't know if they did a whole ground up redesign or anything. It looks like bro just went back to the shop and got a new haircut, you know. They basically just shaved off the side of this thing so that way it doesn't cover the gap that locks it in. So if I put this on the old one, it gets on there pretty easily, and you can see that it goes all the way around the edge of this Joy-Con, and it comes off easily too. But if I put it on the new one, this thing is a much tighter fit. I have a hard time getting this on sometimes. Like this edge right here, I have to put it in the bottom part first and then the top, and then I have to pull it over this thing so that way it fits. So now if I put this on, let's test it out. So yeah, it looks like it's good now. Last time I was looking at these grips and this thing just fell, but shout out to dbrand for coming through and making sure, you know, they made things right with this. Now we got the case that we all wanted. The other thing was the dock. So if I put this on here, take it off, it brings up the whole dock with it. They gave these dock adapter friction pads. So this is the fix for the dock adapter. Like, did they just shave off this thing and then turn it into this, you know? Like, what is this? It's just like little stickers that go somewhere on the dock. So I'm pulling up this QR code with this and we're gonna see where these things go and then we're gonna try it. It has like these arrows on here. You can barely see it, but it tells you which way it's supposed to face when you put this on. So we got the dock adapter friction pads on there now. So let's put this thing back on. It's like a tighter fit now. Okay. So it must just like fill up that gap or whatever. You have to like push this thing out and then put that in there. All right, cool. All right, let's see if this thing works. So one-handed, let me go this way. Ooh, there we go. Oh, it's good, man. Let me try it this way, because I'm gonna be facing it this way anyways when I pick it up. So grab my Switch. Yo, I don't know, man. dbrand, what's up with that? Is it supposed to do that? Oh, man, I know I didn't put it on wrong. Why did it work that first time? All right, y'all, I rewatched this video, man. This lady that's in this video, she kind of cheated actually. Let me put this back on. I don't know, to me, if you're gonna pull this thing out with one hand, this is what it looks like to me, is that you're gonna grab it with one hand, just the Switch, right? And you're gonna pull it like that. What she did in the video is she took these fingers and she pressed against the back. She pulled it up like this. I guess you can do that. That's with one hand, you know? But if you guys get these friction pads and you put it on and it doesn't work, it's because you gotta like press down. You gotta press down on the back and then pull it. Technically, they did fix this issue, so I mean, I can't complain, honestly. They did what they needed to do. They fixed the main issue was going to be the Joy-Con grips coming off, and you know, they pretty much fixed the dock issue if you pull it that, you know, specific way. The case is fine. This is still the best case, I think, to protect your Switch. The other thing that they gave us is the dock adapter buffer. It's like a skin basically that you put over this thing, so it protects it from scratches. So when you put it on the dock or something, it doesn't scratch up your Switch. I think this is still a great case. It feels great in your hands. The grip is amazing. It comes with the version that I got. It's like the $100 version that comes with the thumb grips and then the 2 screen protectors. Yeah, and this one has the cutout on the back for the kickstand. It just looks super clean. The first version of this has dropped my Switch 2 so many times that I know this thing's gonna protect it, because it's already dropped like 6 or 7 times and it's still doing fine. It covers like the whole thing almost. You know, there's only like certain parts that are exposed. You know, it comes with the skins that cover a lot of those parts too, you know? So I trust this case to protect my Switch 2. The other thing that it comes with in a $100 version is this, the travel case or travel cover. So this thing just goes on here. You put this on, and then it has the bungee thing that goes over it and locks it in, and you can see like your games on the front. It has the game card holders on the travel case. So just this thing, this is like a brick by itself, and you can throw your Switch around anywhere with this. I feel like it'll definitely protect it. This is a super sturdy case. This is a W right here, man. This is like one of the best cases I think that you can get. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that like button. So dbrand Killswitch 2 is not gonna be able to kill my Switch 2 anymore, because they fixed that issue so far. So all right, I'll see you guys at the next one. All right, peace.
Such a 90s baby though. If we grind it, then we grind it, man. I feel like Tony Hawk. And my homies got the iron, man. They feel like Tony Stark. And you better watch your head, cause it get wicked up the top.